everyone, welcome back to Lockhart's Powerhouse. We just got our new toy in. I'm excited to show you guys. This is the Hydrow. It's a live outdoor simulated rower. We're going to unbox this thing, take a look at it, and just show you guys what it's all about. Monitor, 22-inch monitor. All right, with all the cardboard off, this is how it's packed. One whole unit. We got a box right here, which I'm thinking might be tools, instruction manual. And then this is the 22-inch monitor separated. Other than that, it's one whole piece in the box. All right, got it all unboxed. Just gotta take off the plastic and this cardboard. It's heavy. I had a hard time getting in here from the hallway into this little room. If you have to set this up, make sure you have two people. It's really tough being by yourself. I know pre-COVID, they had an installation crew that would come in and actually set the rower up in the room you wanted it to. But because of the COVID situation, they're just delivered to the front door. But I was able to get in here, so I'm gonna get this thing unwrapped and we'll see what it looks like. All right, we got all the plastic and cardboard off. It's looking nice. Wow. They really put a lot of cushioning and plastic cardboard on there, so this thing is not moving the box. Very good packaging. It's just a pain to clean up. Whew, I'm out of breath. All right, let's finish this thing up. All right, in the first box, it looks like we have the front stand, the power cord, comes with a screwdriver, Allen wrench, bolts and nuts, and the instruction manual. That was in the first package. All right, the first step on assembly or Hydrow, we're putting on the base of the front with the wheels. It's gonna go right on this spot. I propped it up with a soft mat, but they say to use the cardboard piece that comes with it. We're gonna attach it right into there using 4 of the B screws, 4 of the C washers, and the D locks. So 4, 4, 4. The B screws. Had one of the lock nuts. It has a little notch on it. Just like that. And then you're going to take one of the washers and put it right on like that. All right, I just got them started, screwed them in slowly. Now I'm gonna tighten them evenly. I'll start with this corner, this corner, this one until they're all tight. But make sure you tighten them evenly. All right, next we're going to be attaching a special part of this Hydrow row. Let's check it out. There it is, 22-inch monitor. That is the interactive live part of the Hydrow row. Let's get it installed. All right, all we need for the monitor are the 4 F screws and the screwdriver. This should be pretty easy. It's on. I screwed in the top 2 screws first, and then I screwed in the bottom 2, and then just tightened them along the edges. Pretty easy. It'd be easier if you had 2 people, but 1 person can do it. Just prop it on your stomach like I did. All right, once you get your monitor installed, there's 2 cables on the back that need to be plugged in. The longer, thinner cable needs to be plugged into the Hydrow row port. It's labeled Hydrow row. And the shorter, wider one will be plugged into the port with the lightning bolt. Just as so. And then there's these cool little plastic things right here that you can put your cables in. Right there. Push it in. And push it in. And that's it. That's the only 2 cables on the back of the monitor. The last step is plugging in the AC adapter. That's gonna go right down here on the bottom of the rower. As so. And then we'll plug in right into the wall. That was the last step of setting up the rower. All right, we got it all set up. The moment of truth, let's take off this screen protector. Very nice screen. We're gonna hit the power button and see if it turns on. The power button is located right here on the bottom. There we go. We did it. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining me on the unboxing of the Hydrow. Hopefully this tutorial of setting it up helps out, and it's pretty simple. Stay tuned for more information on the Hydrow.